We are now going to create a bar chart. There are multiple options for a bar chart. And of course, bar charts with a line. So let's start with a stacked one. And what we can do is we can add a date. So let's say the start date, which we're adding on the axis, and also net premium, which we're adding in the values. And here we can see the net premium per year. We can also add columns, which would have a similar purpose. So we can add the values and also the effective date here. We can have a clustered one. So for instance, date and the net premium together with commission. We can also have a line chart. The commission is the line. And here we can see the progression. And we can also add the same thing here. So on the axis we have the year, and then we have net for the column. We can also add gross and the agent commission for the line value. And these are the various options for bar charts.